So the first thing, anytime that you're gonna be cooking pasta, you need to heavily salt your water. You probably heard this by now, but it should taste like sea water. So you actually want tons and tons of salt in there, just like that. Next thing, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to our rolling, boiling water. So whenever you are cooking pasta for an adult, my rule of thumb is about 1 inch across as you grab it, 1 inch across per adult. Okay, twist it as you put it in and it'll fan out. You want to pull the pasta out when it's got a little bit of white on the inside like that. Okay, after 6 to 7 minutes, really depends on the thickness of your noodle. In this case, I have spaghetti, obviously, so I'm gonna go at the 6-minute mark. You're gonna check it. As I showed you with the al dente test, you wanna pull it off and we wanna strain it. A little trick here, when you're straining, hook your thumbs under the pot like this rather than over top. You'll have a lot more, what am I trying to say? Control, that's the word. Thank you, camera person. To let this drain nicely in there for about 4 minutes. When it's done draining, you want to pour a tiny bit of oil over it and give it a toss, either an olive oil. What was that?
I'm gonna tell you something.
You want to tell me something? What do you want to tell me?
What spaghetti is it?